In today's busy world, we often tend to ignore our health and nutrition. So to bridge this gap for my family, I use Naturamore, which is enriched with 50% protein, 13 minerals and 10 vitamins along with omega-3, DHA and ashwagandha. So today I'll be preparing fruit custard for my family, in which I'll be using Naturamore as the core ingredient.
Here is what you need to make it. Boil milk in a pan on a low flame. In a separate bowl, add 2 teaspoons custard powder, 2 teaspoons Naturamore powder, little bit of milk and stir it well to form a lump-free paste. Add it to the milk once it starts boiling and keep stirring to avoid lumps. Add sugar and stir. Switch off the flame when the custard becomes thick. Let it cool a bit and keep stirring. Now add fruits in the serving bowl, add custard and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Your custard is ready to be served chilled.